on, everybody? Tanner here with another video. Hope you're all doing amazing. Welcome to Next Gen Ecom mini episode number 1. Basically what I'm gonna be doing every single day, I'm gonna be posting one of these short videos. It may be a minute long, a few minutes long, but my goal here is to make consistent, valuable content that is not just drug out to 10 minutes long and you're gonna be bored watching all the filler, talking about whatever, blah, blah, blah. So this is probably gonna be like one of the longer episodes since I'm talking about what I'm doing. But to keep it brief and to keep it simple, they're gonna be short, valuable, and to the point videos posted every single day. They may have to do with e-commerce, life, whatever. I'm here to show you. So let's go ahead and get to this first episode. So this first episode is gonna have to do with Facebook ads. It's gonna be very short and to the point, like I said. And basically it's gonna have to do when you're testing products, when you're testing cold products, with single interests, and you're testing interests that are very, very similar, like landscape design and garden design are very, very similar. But you know, some of this audience is probably going to overlap. So what I've been doing recently when I test products, you see 3.5 million is a decent size. Right now I've seen the more narrow the audience, the better they've performed. So a lot of people talk about, Tanner, should I narrow down by engaged shoppers? What should I do? So what I would recommend, engaged shoppers doesn't really do too much in my opinion from what I've seen and the data that has come from it. But what I do, instead of just worrying about engaged shoppers, I exclude the similar interests. So we have garden design right here. So I'll just go ahead and type in garden design. And now this is gonna come up. It's a 5.3 million almost audience. And now, look, it takes our audience all the way from like 3.5 to 1.4. So we're narrowing down our audience as much as possible to make sure that we are as profitable as possible. So there's the first next generation e-commerce mini episode number 1. I just want to show you guys that real quick because there's little things that happen to me every day in life that I learn from. And this is one of those things that happened to me recently that I realized made my ad sets when cold testing perform a lot better. Instead of overlapping the audiences and spending money, promoting to the same exact audience, which is just overlapping, I'm narrowing it down specifically so I know exactly what audience is working and then breaking down the data from there. So once again, I want to make these short instead of dragging them out super long. So I'll see you tomorrow in the next one. If you have any suggestions for things you may want to see, just drop it in the comments below and I might make it. But hopefully you enjoyed this first episode here. I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.